You have to be kidding. That is the worst movie that has ever existed in history. Are you crazy? So, what do we watch today? I don't know. Why don't you just turn on the TV and find something to watch? Alright, let's see. Oh, I like this program. It is about friends who spend their time together, having fun, drinking coffee, and making jokes. Do you think I want to watch a program where people only sit and drink coffee? No, they don't just do that. I mean, they drink coffee sometimes. But it is funny. You will love it. It is a little old program, but it is funny. They go through hilarious situations, and it makes the program interesting. You're talking about a comedy TV series, right? A sitcom. Sitcom? Yeah. Don't you know what a sitcom is? Sitcom is short for situation comedy. It's a funny TV show with a realistic setting, like an apartment full of wacky roommates, or a restaurant where a regular cast of characters cracks jokes from week to week, like these friends drinking coffee and making jokes. Oh, I see. Then, yeah, it is a sitcom. But what's the matter with that? You will have fun. No, I don't like sitcoms. Please change the channel. I want to watch something interesting on TV. Okay, I'll see. Um, oh, this is a good TV program. You will love it. It is about a father with cancer. He's a school teacher and has a good life, but suddenly he's diagnosed with cancer and given little time to live. Because of this, he decides to become a drug dealer, using everything he knows as a science teacher. It's very interesting because he goes from being a simple science teacher at a local school to becoming one of the biggest drug dealers. Um, Sounds interesting, but that's a crime drama, right? Crime drama? I suppose so. Yeah, most crime drama focuses on criminal investigation and does not feature the courtroom. Suspense and mystery are key elements of this genre, and from everything you have told me, yeah, it is a crime drama. Yes, then it is. Do we watch it? No, I don't think so. I don't feel like watching crime drama right now. Keep looking for something to watch on TV, please. What? But this series is listed as one of the best TV series in history. You should at least give it a chance. Come on. Maybe some other time. Now I want to watch something different. Alright, I'll keep looking for something to watch. Oh, okay, you have to watch this. It's about people who, due to their financial problems, decide to play a game of life or death to make money. Each game is inspired by childhood games we played as kids. I've already seen this series twice, and believe me, I'd watch it again. What do you say? I don't know. What kind of TV series is it? I think, well, it has to be a horror TV series because there are people who play these dangerous games. Oh, I know what TV program you're talking about. And no, It's not a horror series. It is a dystopian survival thriller drama television. What? What is that? The dystopian genre imagines worlds or societies where life is extremely bad because of deprivation or oppression or terror, and human society is characterized by human misery. Oh, okay. Then, yeah. So, are we watching the first episode of this series? Uh, no, I don't think so. I don't like this kind of TV programs. Oh, come on. Then what are we going to watch? What do you want to watch? I don't know. Why don't we better watch a movie? Yeah, let's watch a movie. Okay, okay. A movie then. Let's see. Alright, I found it. This is a classic. It's about a college student who is bitten by a spider and gains supernatural powers. Afterward, he decides to fight for justice, but first, he seeks revenge for his uncle's death. This film has several sequels and has won many awards. It's a superhero movie. You're talking about this spider guy who fights against crime, right? Yeah. Have you seen it? Yeah, I like it, but I don't want to watch a superheroes movie now. It's science fiction. I want to watch something more realistic. Can you keep looking for something to watch, please? Oh, come on. You don't want to watch horror, comedy, or science fiction. You know what? Take the remote control and choose something you like, and we will watch that. Alright, alright. But don't get angry. How do you expect me not to be bothered if we've been looking for something to watch for a while and you don't like what I choose? Okay, I promise. The next movie or TV series you choose, we will watch that. Okay, I hope so. Let's see. Um, this movie? No. This movie? No. What about this one? No. That one. Let's watch that movie. That is one of the best movies ever. Are you kidding? No, you have to be kidding. Wait a minute. What is this movie about? You will love it. A wild hurricane has sucked up much of the ocean's water, and with it, hundreds of hungry sharks are devouring everything in their path around the terrified city. The deadly sharks are amazing. Sharks flying, everything destroyed, people screaming. It has everything. You have to be kidding. That is the worst movie that has ever existed in history. Are you crazy? What? No, it's a great movie. A hurricane made by sharks? Sharks flying and destroying the buildings? Yeah, let's watch it. Alright, let's watch that Sharknado. I can't believe it.